Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and thank you so much for stopping by and welcome if you're new to my channel. I am back as usually with another unboxing. This time it's gonna be a Sephora favorites kit and this one is called Festival Faves. Looks like this and this one costs $35 and has a value of 95. Love Sephora favorites. If you watch my channel, you know that I always get them. They had another one released in the same time with this one, but I didn't get that one because as far I know, that one has around 5 eyeliners, and I think it's way too much. We get an eyeliner in almost each beauty box, so that didn't ring my bell, that one, but I got this one. This one is with hair products, so let's go ahead and see what's in this one. And I have on the back all the products and the quantities in here. Here is the bag, a simple clear bag with a yellow zipper, and I will start with the biggest product in here, and this one is AKJ, no, it's AGK. Of course, this is first class charcoal detox dry shampoo. I'm using a lot of dry shampoos, so I always get them in deluxe samples. For some reason, I'm not a fan of full sizes, and if you watch my channel, you know that already. But anyway, this one is IGK first class charcoal detox dry shampoo with 90 milliliters, which is 2 ounce. This is made in US, by the way. We have the countries, and seems like all the products that are in this kit are from US. So here is the first item in here, a dry shampoo. As I told you, a product that I'm using often, so good for me to have backups. Then we have Bumble and Bumble. This one is another dry shampoo, Bumble Pret, a powder, tray invisible, something in French. Anyway, it's dry shampoo with French pink clay. So is this one. I never tried those two products, and I don't think it's something in here that I tried excepting one product or two. So here is this one. This one is in 40 milliliters, which is 0.85 ounce. So another dry shampoo in a smaller size. Then we have a product from Amica, and this is Amica Undone Volume and Matte Texture Spray. Is this one. I just finished another one before the video, a smaller size. And that one, I think it's still undone, but the packaging is different, with something with yellow and orange. So great to have another one. I like Amica. I like the scent of their products. Smells so nice, and I still can feel the scent from the other Amica that I just used. Anyway, this is a texturizing spray. I really like the Amica texturizing sprays, because they don't leave your hair sticky, stiff, or really manageable after using the product. So I like to have another one there. That Amica comes with 28 grams, which is 1 ounce. Then we have a Verb product, and this is Ghost Dry Oil, a refresh, condition, smooth and glitter. I heard about this product, but I didn't try it. I never try something with glitter. Let's try it now. And I can see the glitter flying away. So that's something new for me. Anyway, when I'm moving my hair, I see the glitter falling. Anyway, I never tried this one, but smells pretty good. This one comes with Verb, the Ghost Dry Oil Disco Edition. Comes with 37 grams, which is 1.3 ounce. So we'll see about this one. Probably for a special occasion will work. Then a lovely product and a favorite product of mine. This is Sol de Janeiro. Is a Brazilian Crush body fragrance mist, a scent that everybody loves, or if not everybody, 99.9 people. and I love the scent of this. Smells so good, makes you thinking at a day on the beach. Anyway, I love this one. I have all the sizes for this one. I think this is the tiniest one in my collection, but really nice. So this one comes with 30 milliliters, which is 1 fluid ounce. Beautiful product, beautiful scent. Probably is the single body mist that I'm using during the day. I have a ton of Victoria's Secret, but I'm not so excited about them. Probably I'm not at that age anymore. Anyway, we have in here four more products. One of them it's Way, probably rose hair and body oil is this one. This one comes with 10 milliliters, which is 0.33 fluid ounce. Gosh, that smells so good. Anyway, a 10 milliliters product from Way. I don't think I tried this one before. I tried other products from them, but not the oil. It's a hair and body oil. I have many other hair oils, and I have this one in a full size from one of the Revolve boxes. Probably I will try this either for body, or I will try it for hair too, because I heard it's a great product. As a body oil, it's very light and seems to absorb pretty fast. So I'll find a usage for this one. Then we have a sunscreen, and this one is Unseen Sunscreen Board Spectrum SPF 40 from Supergoop. It's another product that comes very often in boxes in all the sizes possible. About this one, comes in 50 milliliters, which is 0.5 fluid ounce. For face, when you use this one on your face, will last a while. So sunscreen, getting ready for summer, right? Then we have a milk product, which is this one, and this one is a highlighter. By the shade, I would say it's a highlighter in turned, 3 grams, which is 0.10 ounce. So I love those deluxe samples, and probably I'm just one of the millions YouTubers that like more deluxe sample than full sizes. Here is the shade of this one. I do like the highlighter. I tried them before in other shades from Milk, and I like it. And I had in samples of the week the blur stick, and I like that one too. Not many other skincare products from them, but so far the makeup, I think it's nice. Last product in here, another favorite of mine, and I don't have to tell you if you watch my channel. This is a Stila. Probably it's an eyeshadow. Let's see what they say is here. It's still a glitter and glow liquid eyeshadow in Perlina, something like that, 2.25 milliliters, which is 0.07 fluid ounce. You know, I love this one. I never buy the full size because I'm getting this size in boxes, and even one of these will last a long time. And you saw this product in many of my empties, in many of my favorites. As soon you open one of these, you have to use it because it's gonna dry pretty soon. So here is the shade of this one right here. It's not bad at all. I love the most the Kitten Karma shade, but this one is pretty nice too. So for me, it's a great box because it all depends what you like. To get a box, you have to look very close and see the products in the box, if you like what's in the box, if you like the sizes also, because many people are complaining about the sizes. But let's be honest, who's using a full size lipstick in a month, or until gets another new one? I'm not that one for sure. So I love the sizes for those. I love the products, and I think $35 it's not it's a fair product for the box. So deluxe sample glitter eyeshadow from Stila, which I always love. I like the milk highlighter. So far we have two makeup products. We have a skincare product, the sunscreen from Supergoop with SPF 40, which is not bad. We have an hair and body oil from Way, I believe is the name, and then we have the Brazilian Crush body mist, which is always a great addition to any box. Also we have this dry oil from Verb with glitter, something that I want to try. Probably I will never order that, but I believe it's a limited edition. I'm not so sure about that. Disco edition anyway. And we have a texturizing spray, also a product that I always use because it turns my hair in my natural curl, so I don't have to curl my hair after I'm using a texturizing, and I love that part. Way more easier for me. Then we have dry shampoos in different sizes, one from Bumble and Bumble, and one from AGK. So IGK. So I think it's a great box. So far for me, it's a good one. A value of 95 for $35. It's I think it's a way to save money, and a way also to try new products. So that's kind of all for the Sephora kit. Let me know what do you think about this kit. I will see you guys with another limited edition box. And also, if you're watching for the Look Fantastic eggs, you can see the spoilers on my subscription addiction. I saw the spoilers and I decided to not get the box this year because I have all the products excepting a Bare Minerals primer, and I want to say that I am not excited about that box. I was personally I was really disappointed when I saw the spoilers. Not even half as great as the last year one. So but if you wanna get that box, watch Look Fantastic website and my subscription addictions, because always they will release the date when the box is gonna be out for sale. So that's kind of all for this video. I will see you guys very soon with another limited edition box. In the meantime, you have an amazing day. Bye bye.